So today is my last day in Royalian and also in the aquarium, which is our lovely dorm here at ESB. And one of my friends, Rachel, they were able to give me a ride from Germany all the way to Zurich and help me carry a lot of my luggage. And they have their dog with them today, so a little travel buddy on the way. And this is all of my leftover luggage I didn't get to bring the first time I came here. Okay, so today is the 12th and I actually moved back to the apartment in Switzerland right now. And yeah, it's like probably 8ish at night and then I just finished unpacking and cleaning the floor and everything. So it's pretty clean, I'd say. To show all of you a little bit on how I put my stuff. Probably brought too much food from Germany, so that's a problem. But yeah. So here at the bottom, I have like face mask, cleaning stuff, shower stuff, my hair dryer, and then this is the wardrobe. It's probably way too full, like it can't be fuller. The desk. Still have quite a lot, and then I put some stuff in the drawers over there and this cabinet because the one in the kitchen obviously not big enough, so I kept other things I don't use as often over here, like dry stuff, snacks, breakfast cereal food. That one is a whole bunch of tea, different types of tea. Then I have some oat milk and soy milk on the bottom, as well as like coconut milk. This one over here, I put pans and some of my utensils and workout stuff over there. Forgot to move the lentils. But yeah, so here is like my luggages because I cannot put it on my wardrobe like I did in Germany. And some hang racks that I had to put some of the towels I used to clean stuff. And yeah, I brought my bedding, so I kind of did my bed-ish. And then I put the lotions next to the window. So yeah, unpacked, put everything in wherever I think I wanted to, and yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit of something and then I'm gonna go to bed. Because I'm so tired. Probably have like 4 hours of sleep. And then I've been awake since like 7 a.m. So yeah, I'm going to go to bed soon. And yeah, that's what my room's gonna look like for the semester.